Hey guys, we're here on this large house again with another video. I have a lot of stuff going on today. I'll show you a little walkthrough through the inside. So I probably won't be talking much on the inside just due to the noise and the sawing and everybody in there working, but we'll take a video and I'll show you what's going on the inside. We have HVAC guys here today, have plumbers here, electricians, the owners here. We're just making sure, get everything exactly how she wants it as far as the lights and plug-ins, plumbing hookups, make sure she's got the refrigerators and stoves and everything exactly where she wants, because right now we're trying to get everything roughed in right now. As you can see, there's a few of the vehicles there, and let's go around here. You got everybody here. It's a really wet, muddy day. We'll go inside here. Like I said, I probably won't be talking on the inside due to the noise. Hey guys, I'm going to have to do a little voiceover here since we're going on the inside due to the noise and everything. Let's go walking through the garage here and I'll take you into the house and we'll take a look at what's going on. Starting in the back room here, we have some electrical going on. They're starting to rough in today. We'll go back here to the sunroom right now and show you some of the interior windows and everything, and working our way through with the wiring. Right now they're putting up the HVAC right there, as you can tell, getting that started. The electricians are out there deciding what they want to do with the lighting in the living room area. And we'll go back here to the back also. You want to be on the YouTube channel? You want to be on the YouTube channel?
Sure.
Go ahead. Huh?
More lights.
You want to come do just a big interview?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's a big house.
It's a big house. Let's walk back here to the master bedroom area and take a look at everything, and I'll show you what's going on back here as well. About lunchtime, ain't it? Shower, tub area. You do stuff like this, you can remember where the everything's at.
Best way to do it.
That's right. We tell you if you need to come back and find something later on in the wall. And, oh yeah, I remember where that's at.
Wires there,
Plumbing, now you know where everything's at. Make sure water goes downhill. Garage area. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and we'll end with a little walkthrough here. And I'll be posting some more videos soon. Just like and subscribe. Thanks.